Okay. Good morning, class. Good morning, Sir Omar. Today, I would like to introduce myself. I am Midshipman Dagli David Joben B from 2.1 BS Mari Bravo. I am explaining about temperature measurement and control systems. Next. So, explain how ambient conditions and measurement noise affect PID control of a temperature measurement and control systems. So, before we are going to, I am explaining ambient condition and measurement noise. We need to know what is PID. PID control. What is PID controller? A PID controller, which stands for Proportional Integral Derivative Controller, is a crucial component in modern automation and control system. It operates using a closed-loop feedback mechanism that continuously adjusts the output of a system based on the difference between a desired set point and the actual measured value. This difference is referred to as error signal, and the PID controller uses this information to make real-time adjustments to maintain the process variable such as temperature, pressure, or speed at the desired level. So, PID means it is a modern automation that we are using at this moment of our control system or in our ship. It have a closed loop feedback mechanism. Here is the picture that I researched. From set point to control output, then process variable, then control output, it measure PID controller. And so how the three components work. Proportional response to the current error. Like what I said, this orange picture. Correct based on the current error. Adjust output proportionally to the current error. Next one is integral. Looks at past errors accumulated over time. So, integral, correct based on accumulated past errors. Eliminates residual error by integrating past errors over time. Next one and the last one is derivative. Derivative predicts future errors by looking at how fast the error is changing. Corrects base future trend of error. Predicts future errors, like what I said. So, in short explanation, so proportional, it detects error from current or a present. Integral, um, it okay. It corrects the past errors, and derivative is for the future error. Then next one, I am explaining about ambient conditions. Ambient conditions represent real physical disturbance to the thermal equilibrium. Factors such as shifts, room temperature, seasonal weather changes, or suddenly drops directly alter the system heat. Dissipation of rate instance, if the surrounding air suddenly cools, the system loses heat much faster to the environment. The PID controller detects the physical drop in temperature as deviation from the set point to combat this environmental drag. The proportional and integral terms must work harder to increase power output. So, here is the short explanation about important factors that strongly affect the performance of ambient conditions. Ambient conditions It is the changes of our surroundings like humidity, airflow, temperature, or heat loss that may also affect the PID controller, causing to increase or decrease the actual heating or cooling output to compensate, even though the controller is trying to maintain a constant set point. So next one is measurement noise. And the last one, measurement noise. Measurement noise introduces a psychological challenge for the controller by feeding it fake signals. Noise consists of rapid, high frequency fluctuation in the temperature readings, typically caused by electromagnetic interference, poor sensor shielding, or turbulent fluid mixing near the probe. While the physical temperature of the system might be perfectly stable, the sensor transmit a jog, erratic signal. This create massive issues for the derivative term, which is designed to calculate how fast the temperature is changing. So measurement noise, from the word measurement noise, it is the noise around our place, like unwanted noise, fluctuation in the temperature, sensor signal. Because when the sensor detect noisy readings, it may cause interpret the actual reading that can cause unnecessary adjustment in our control output. So if the noise measure the PID, then our our reading in cause is unnecessary adjustment. So what we are going to do to prevent these moments when we are reading periodic temperature controller. So we need to maintain stable and accurate temperature control. So our system should use properly installed and calibrated sensor to lessen or reduce disturbance when possible. Next is to apply suitable filtering to noisy measurements, because when proper PID tuning is needed, the most when we need accurate measurement. So, okay. We need accurate measurement. That's all. That's my all reporting. Thank you so much.